Hello children, I hope you all are safe and happy at home. Today we are going to continue our class for grade 6 mathematics. So today we are going to start a new topic which is whole numbers. Okay. In our class itself we have discussed some introduction about this topic. We'll continue. So what is whole numbers? Do you know whole numbers? Okay, so we'll discuss it. So as we know, we use 1, 2, 3, 4 when we begin to count. They come naturally when we start counting. Okay, hence the mathematicians call the counting numbers as natural numbers. Okay, when someone is asking you to tell the numbers, means you will start with 1. Okay, it will comes to you naturally. Naturally you will start to count it from 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. Okay, so that is called a natural numbers. But what is whole numbers? Here we are going to discuss about the whole numbers, right? So what is whole numbers? If you start with 1, 2, 3, 4 means that is called natural numbers. And what about the whole numbers? Okay, we will discuss it. So before discussing about the whole numbers, we will discuss about the predecessor and the successor. In your previous classes itself, you have learned about the predecessor and the successor, right? Can you tell me what is predecessor and what is successor? Do you able to understand, do you able to recall that? So the number which comes next to the given number. So if you add 1 with the given number, you will get the successor. If you subtract 1 from the given number, you will get its predecessor. So I am taking 5 as the number, okay, sorry. Okay, so I am taking 5, okay. If I am adding 1 with this number, what will I get? I will get 6, right. So 6 is the successor of 5. Okay, the number which comes next to the given number. So that is called successor. Okay, so how will you find the predecessor? For the number 5, same number 5, I am going to subtract 1 from this. So I will get 4. So 4 is the predecessor of 5. Okay, so 5. 6 is the successor and 4 is the predecessor. Okay. Do you understand this? I hope you understood. What is the successor of 18? What is the successor of 18? The number which is next to 18. What will come next to 18? It is 19. So 19 is the successor of 18. And what about the predecessor? The number which comes before the given number, so which is 17. So 17 is the predecessor of 18. Okay, I hope you understood this. Now can you tell me what is the predecessor for 1? What is the predecessor for 1? Okay, 1. What is the successor for 1? 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 will be the successor for 1, right? But what is the predecessor for 1? Can you tell me? No, there is no numbers before 1, right? But in that cases alone, we are using this whole numbers. So we have seen that the number 1 has no predecessor in natural numbers. In natural numbers, there is no way to write the predecessor for 1, right? There is no number before 1. But in this whole numbers, we will consider 0, right? We will consider 0 as the predecessor of 1. Okay. So simply natural numbers will start with 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. and the whole numbers will start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. Okay. So whole numbers means it will start with 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. and whole numbers means natural numbers means it will naturally start with 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. Okay. So this is called whole number and natural number, and we have recalled about the predecessor and successor. Okay. So next one is number line. So I hope you all know this. this is a normal number line. If you are writing the number lines for integers means it will be totally different. Okay. In your next year you will discuss about the integers number line, but here we are writing it for the whole numbers. So if you are writing the number line for whole numbers means I have already told you whole numbers will start with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 etc. Okay. So it will goes like this. So I am drawing the number line. So for I am drawing the number line for the whole numbers. So it will start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 etc. Okay. So what is the distance between the points 2 and 4? So it is okay. You have to find the distance between 2 and 4. Where is 2? It's here. And where is 4? It's here. So how many jumps you have to jump for to reach 4 from 2? So I am starting from here. So 1, 2. Okay. You should not count the number of units which is at the center. Okay. When saying at 2, 4, at the center you are having only 1. So 1. This is the wrong answer. Okay. You have to count the number of jumps. So from 2 first I have to jump to 3. Okay. And then from 3 I have to jump to 4 to reach 4. So I have jumped 2 times. 1, 2. I have jumped 2 times. So at this between this 2 and 4 we are having 2 units. Okay. So like that you have to jump. Okay. Now we are going to learn addition on the number line. You know how to add by yourself, right? You have learned up to 5 digits, 6 digits or something. But here we are going to add using the number line. Okay. Here we are going to add the whole numbers using the number line. So see, addition of whole numbers can be shown on the number line. Let us see the addition of 3 and 4. Here we are going to add 3 and 4. So I have already told you how to add, right? So see, here we are going to add 3 and 4. You know how to write the number line for whole numbers. So you have to start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 etc. So from 3, what is the first number? 3. So you have to start from 3. Okay. So from 3 you have to jump 4 times, which means you have to jump 4 times. The given number is 3 and 4. Okay. So to add these two numbers using the number line, you have to start with 3 and you have to jump 4 times. Okay, do you understand? You have to start with 3. I am going to start with 3 and I have to jump 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? 7. So what is 3 plus 4? It's also 7. So to add the number line, to add the numbers using the number line, you have to jump at your right side. Okay, you have to jump at your right side. To add, you have to jump at your right side. Okay, you have to remember this. From this itself you can come to the conclusion how to subtract the numbers on the number line. For subtracting you have to jump at the left side. Okay, for adding you have to jump right side. For subtracting you have to add left side. You have to jump left side. Okay. So see, 7 minus 5, which means you have to start from 7 and then you have to jump 5 steps from that. Okay. So I am starting from 7 and I am going to jump on the left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. We have to jump 5 steps towards the left side. So I reached 2. So 7 minus 5 is 2. So the answer is 2. Okay. So I hope you understood this. And the next one is we are going to multiply the numbers using the number line. We are going to multiply the numbers using the number line. So, shall we start? See, the given number is 3 into 4, okay, which means you have to take this 3 into 4. You have to split, you have to give work for these two numbers, okay. The work for 3 is you have to count 3, okay. So, you have to jump 3 steps. What is the work for the 3? We have to jump 3 steps, okay. So, count it 1, 2, 3. So, we have to jump 3 steps. So, mark 3, 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3 is here, and then again 1, 2, 3 and here, and then 1, 2, 3 it's here, and 1, 2, 3, okay. And what is the work for 4? We have to jump 4 times, okay. We have to jump 4 times. The work for 3 is we have to make 3 units, and the work for the 4 is you have to jump 4 times, okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we have jumped 4 times to reach 12, okay. So, now what is the answer? 3 4s are 12, and here also it's 12, okay. So, this is multiplication on the number line, okay. So, here we are having some exercise sums. I hope you all understood the concepts. So, try it by yourself. If you have any doubts means just ask me. I will help you and you in the next session. Thank you.